I'm here in southern Peru in the remote Nazca desert, and this is a Nazca line that depicts a giant whale. From here, it might not look like much, because to really see the Nazca lines, you need a completely different perspective. From on high, you can see the Nazca lines are massive geoglyphs, the largest ever made. But why are they here, in the middle of a vast and empty desert? And it's not that the Nazca lines are hard to see from the ground, they're virtually invisible. It was only when airplane pilots started flying over this part of Peru that anyone had a clue that they existed. From up here, I can see why those first pilots were so shocked by what they discovered. The lines cover more than 125 square miles and form over 1,000 geometric shapes. Enormous rectangles, trapezoids, hundreds of yards wide and thousands of yards long. Then there are razor-straight lines, some stretching as far as 9 miles. Perhaps the most incredible, the biomorphs, over 50 massive drawings of birds, animals, and even humans. Ever since they were first spotted 80 years ago, researchers have tried to figure out who made the lines and why. There have been a lot of theories, but few facts. Getting straight answers about the Nazca lines is going to be a challenge. Can we get down on the lines?
We can, but first you have to put these contraptions on that are specially designed to walk on the lines.
Beautiful. It's going to look like a duck on land, I think, with these on. But some of the lines are incredibly fragile, and so you need to wear these protective shoes, just it displaces the force you're putting on the lines. Show me where to go. Sure. A German research team recently conducted tests on the lines. Amazingly, they found the soil beneath the lines was much more densely packed than the soil outside the lines. How come? By the repeated impact of thousands of feet. So these findings tell us what?
It tells us definitively that people were walking on these lines. I think that they were walking on these lines part of a ritual procession.
For me, the puzzle of the Nazca lines is coming together. Nearby Coahuachi was a gathering place for pilgrims, but their actual destination was the lines themselves. What Dr. Vaughan and recent researchers have answered is one of the most fundamental questions about the Nazca lines. Why would an ancient people build intricate lines across the desert floor that they just couldn't see? The answer? They weren't meant to be seen from a distance or a height. They were places to perform religious ceremonies, specifically processions.
Yep. Holographic me.